Example 1. An organic compound A, C2H5NO2, gives on reduction another compound B, C2H7N. The reaction of nitrous acid on B evolves nitrogen and gives another compound C, C2H6O. The compound C on oxidation gives acetic acid. The compounds A, B, C are. So we need to identify all these three compounds here. The initial compound A is a nitro compound. On reduction, it gives another compound, this compound. Here only we can deduce that this is a nitro compound. If we reduce it, then NO2 becomes NH2, in which case the formula becomes C2H7N. Instead of these two oxygen, we have two additional hydrogens, which makes the formula C2H7N. The reaction of nitrous acid on B evolves nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is evolved when primary amine reacts with nitrous acid. This tells us that B is a primary amine. That is, this formula is a primary amine. It evolves nitrogen and it forms an alcohol. This reaction of nitrous acid with primary amine yields an alcohol. So this compound here must be ethanol, C2H5OH. This compound C on oxidation gives acetic acid. This is also coming perfectly balanced because we know that ethanol on oxidation does give us acetic acid. Let's write down the reaction as well. So we are starting with the compound A. It has formula C2H5NO2, which should be this compound A. On reduction, this compound became CH3, CH2, NH2, ethanamine. This is compound B. Further reaction says that on reaction with nitrous acid, nitrogen gases evolved, confirming that this is a primary amine, and the product obtained will be an alcohol. This is compound C. Further reaction confirms all the reactants A, B and C because further reaction says on oxidation, this compound forms acetic acid, CH3COOH. Ethanol does form acetic acid. So these are our compounds A, B and C, naming them. This is nitroethane. That is, A is nitroethane, B is ethanamine or ethylamine, and C is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Matching our answers here, we can see that option A itself is the correct answer. Nitroethane, ethylamine, ethyl alcohol.